Then there is even more complex attack we call distributed denial of service attack. It has got, you have a limited volume of single sources, but you have got multiple secondary sources. They're called, probably they're called handlers and zombie handlers and agent zombies or reflectors. Sometimes they're called reflectors to a target. And they're coming in a distributed fashion. Distributed means the attack is coming from all over the internet, because internet is quite complex. It contains millions of networks. So your attack is coming, which is all globally spread across the internet. So such attacks are called distributed denial of service attack. Often they compromise PCs and workstations. Zombies with backdoor programs that have been installed. So zombies are created. Zombies will become bots, and they are called botnets. So forming botnets, and those botnets are attacking. Now, what do? They do a tri-flood network, or tri-flood network. In a simple form, it is known as TFN network. So TFN is a set of computer programs to conduct various types of distributed denial of service attack, or double DOS attack, such as ICMP flood, such as TCP synchronized flooding, or UDP flooding. Or sometimes they are also known as Smurf attack, which comes from a lot of reflectors and so on. The very first time that we saw this type of distributed denial of service attack, also known as the TFN initiated attack, was described in CERT, Computer Emergency Response Team. So they have put that in the text in their reference book. There's an incident note of 99-0 or something, 04 or something, that was written by some professionals, security professionals, which was based in a hacker that was based in Germany. When it was initiated, they came up with that particular name. It's called TFN, Tri-Flood Network Attack. So here's the architecture of a distributed denial of service attack. So you are a single attacker. You are able to handle certain number of zombies, and those zombies will be compromising agent zombies. You can also control the zombies, but you also have got hundreds of handlers, and sometimes they're called reflectors, and they are able to control millions of zombies. And all of these zombies, they could be millions. Like, it just shows just one computer, like 5 or 6 computers, but in reality this could be millions in different networks all around the world. So if your computer was not updated properly, you could be one computer here, and you won't even know, because you'll be running a computer which is slow. You will be cursing your computer and using it, but because it's a zombie, a lot of resources are being used, because your computer doesn't become slow overnight, or it doesn't become slow just for something because you're using. It is slow because your computer has been compromised. And they'll be targeting one particular target, like a website, maybe a server, maybe a router, and that router will not be able to function. It will crash. And once it crashes, that's the objective of an attack.
The Victorian Institute of Technology has other great videos covering many different topics. Please check them out, and thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe the video for more great content like this.